Welcome to helpyourmath.com. So back to the example for solving zero equation. We look at example here, 3x plus 2y equals 6. So this equation can be a little bit confusing since there is x and y. So we really need to pay attention on which variable we need to solve for. Since the problem asks to solve for x. So in order to solve for x, we need to isolate x, which means we're gonna get x by itself. So we need to do inverse operations. Since they have been added together, so by doing inverse operation, we need to subtract 2y on both sides. So positive 2y and negative 2y gonna be cancelled out. Then what we left with 3x equals 6 minus 2y. Then we need to get x by itself, since 3 has been multiplied by x. So by doing inverse operation, we're gonna divide 3 on both sides. This 3 gonna be cancelled out. Then we get x equals 6 minus 2y divided by 3. By this step, this is not done yet, since it has not been simplified yet, so we need to simplify more. We can break this fraction as two fractions. We get 6, bring them as 6 over 3 minus 2y over 3. Then 6 divided by 3 equals 2. And for this term, there's nothing to be simplified. So we just keep as it is. And this is the final answer for the problem. Thank you. We get example as p cubed over 3 equals pv plus 2 and so for p. But since there is a fraction, so the first thing that we need to do is get rid of fraction by multiplying their LCD, which is 3 here on both sides. So we get p cubed over 3 multiplied by 3 equals 3 times pv plus 2 inside the parentheses. Then this 3 gonna be cancelled out. Then we're left with p cubed. Then we're gonna distribute 3 into each terms inside the parentheses. Then 3 times pv gets 3 pv. And 3 times 2 is 6, so plus 6. Then since the problem asks to solve for p, so we need to get p on just one side. In order to do so, we're going to subtract 3 pv on both sides. Then this 3 pv and negative 3 pv going to be cancelled out. Then we left with p cubed minus 3 pv equals 6. Since there is p on both terms, so we need to factor out p. Then we left with q minus 3v equals 6. And the p has been multiplied by q minus 3v inside the parentheses. So by doing inverse operation, we need to divide q minus 3v on both sides. Then these two terms gonna be cancelled out, and we left with p equals 6 over q minus 3v. But this part is not done yet because we need to simplify more. We can break it as two fraction parts, and we get p equals 6 over q minus 6 over 3v. For first term, 6 over q, there's nothing can be simplified, so we just copy down. 6 over q. Then 6 divided by 3 is 2. And we put the 2 on numerator, and we keep v on denominator. And this is the final answer for the problem. Thank you.